Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and for everybody who is new, I'm Leorah and I'm so glad you found me. So welcome to today's video, which is going to be the anniversary wrap. And you know what that is? Because I have been now for 2 years, pretty much exactly 2 years on YouTube, and so this is my anniversary wrap. Now this wrap has been requested again. I'm going to show you the original picture that I have posted some time ago on my Facebook and on all my social media. Of course, all these pictures are coming up on all my social media. So this is what came up, and this has been requested, and I'm honestly pretty sure that I have done something like this or very close to that already as a tutorial, and you just have to forgive me, sweeties, because I'm doing this now for so long. There might be some repetitive content because I personally, if you know me just a little bit, you know that I cannot keep track. I cannot keep track of the names of my wraps. I always feel so embarrassed when people ask me, what was that wrap? And I'm so glad that some of you then jump in when you see this and you're telling each other what the names are and what it is, because I wouldn't know. I'm so sorry. My brain doesn't work this way, you know? I don't remember this. I also don't remember really what I did a year ago. For me, it is rediscovering stuff all the time, and I kind of always feel like, wow, this is amazing, and then I think, didn't I do that already? Or maybe I didn't. So I really don't know. So please, if this is starting to be repetitive, then let's just maybe embrace it anyway, because we also have a lot of new people always joining who maybe not necessarily always watch all the older content. So you know, we're just wrapping together because we're friends, right? Okay, sweeties, so this video, of course, is in collaboration with Wrapunzel, who has supplied everything that you're seeing here that is wrapping related. And with that, we're just going to go right into the anniversary wrap. Hi sweeties. Okay, welcome to the tutorial part for the anniversary wrap. And for that, of course, I'm wearing my Wendy shaper, and if I forget to mention it, it is usually the Wendy shaper, and you will always also find everything that I'm wearing, of course, in the description box in case I forget to mention it, okay? So first of all, we are going to start off with a tough 2-in-1. This one is in olive, and yeah, so if you don't know those scarves, you can see that they're a little bit sheer. On the sheer side, they're super lightweight. They're also not super wide. They have a good width for wrapping, but they are not like super big, so you cannot handle it. Especially when you're new to wrapping, you might want to go for something like this because they are really easy to wrap and they have fringes. Okay, so that is for introducing this tough 2-in-1. And now I'm just going to adjust my mirror apparently. So we're going to put this down, sort of starting out like a regal wrap, and of course we're going to try to have both ends hanging down equally, more or less. And let's cross over in the back, and then I'm going to bring it back up towards the front, and I'm going to tie a knot here in the middle. So like that. Okay, what you can do now is, of course, you could have layered both scarves that we're using now on top of each other and do it all in one go. I just wanted to break it down because it makes it a little bit more easy to understand, okay? Now you can use one scarf for the next step. You can use two like I am. I'm going to use two sari scarves. One of them is purple and one of them is blue, just because I want a little bit more oomph in the look, a little bit more, you know what I mean? Okay, so I'm going to line them up next to each other like this, and I'm going to put them down right behind the knot, and I'm bringing them behind my head. Now I just want this to stay in front here. Okay, so I'm bringing them behind my head, crossing over. Basically, we're doing exactly the same thing that we did with the tough 2-in-1, just that we're starting out here and doing it in a more condensed version, okay? So now I'm bringing them back up, and here too, I'm going to tie a knot. Now you can see that all of this can be done in one step, but like I said, this is what we do today. Okay, so now what I do is, it's actually really easy. Whatever comes out here towards the back, sort of, you know, towards the back part of my head, I'm taking that and I'm sort of just sliding it in here. So it just basically disappears, and I'm sort of trying that, that you can still see each scarf a little bit, okay? So now here, I'm going to just line them up next to each other. And of the blue here, you see I have a little bit less because I didn't line them up perfectly. So it happens. It'll happen to you too probably. So don't worry about it. And because I have already a lot of green here, I'm going to just sort of try to, one second, to put this behind a little bit. Okay, so I have more color impact from those scarves. Okay, so now I'm just going to twist them a little bit. And I'm not going to do it super tight, because if you do it super tight, then you have like a big bulge coming out here, okay? If you do it loose, it's going to look a little bit more flawless, sort of, you know? And then I'm just going to slide it in here. Okay, now of course we have this hanging out, but we can tuck it away. That's no problem. Still have some fringes. Okay, so that is basically how it looks. So now, of course, and I think that is a wrap that I have already done, that you can also twist it to this side. You do not have to just put it away like this, but I kind of feel like it's nice if it's not the same, you know, if it's sort of a little bit off. So plus this is exactly the wrap how I did it, what you saw in the beginning, and that was requested, so that's why I'm doing it exactly that way. Okay, let me just turn around and show you. All right, so this is the anniversary wrap. I hope you did enjoy. I hope you found this helpful. And if you did and you want to have those scarves that I just showed you, then you can of course find them in the description box, linked there for your convenience. And if you want to order something, then of course you can use my affiliate code, which is Queen Leorah in all caps in one word, which will give you 5% of your order. So that is it. I think that was super easy. So let me know what you think about the wrap. Do you like the color scheme? Do you like these scarves? Do you own them, or do you want to get them? Because really I think the color scheme is really nice, because it is not so predictable. I think, you know, I really like it. So anyway, let me know what you feel about this. Besides that, of course, I would love it if you were to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you here next time for my next video, which is going to be super soon. And up until then, go ahead and sparkle. Hugs and kisses. Bye.